everybody. It's Michelle, and I've got a card project that I wanted to share with you guys today. This idea came from a viewer named Doris. So Doris, thank you for your idea, and I think this is just great. When I did my flash table setting, Doris commented on that video that she was going to turn it into a card for her grandson, and I thought that was such a fun idea. And by the time I read that comment, I had already put out the video for the flash treat bag. So I used the same pattern that I used for the treat bag, and you guys can find that over on my blog. And there are templates for the circle sizes. However, I didn't use that. I just used my dies, and I used the template for the lightning bolt. So if you guys didn't see those videos to the table setting and the gift bag, I will link to both of those so you can go and check those out. And also be sure to go over to my blog to get that pattern. There's a free printable over there, and you can just print that out and cut your shapes from that. And I've got a red card base, and this is an A2 size, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You just cut a regular piece of 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock in half so that it's 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. And then when you fold that, you've got 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I've got a light colored piece here. This is just sort of a light stone gray color that I cut to 4 by 5 1/4 just to fit inside with a little bit of a border. That way we've got a light color to write our sentiment on the inside, because it would be kind of hard to see on that dark red. And I'm just going to assemble this very quickly to show you guys. I thought this was such a fun idea to make a card out of this. And I'm just going to put that in the inside so that we've got a space to do our sentiment. And I'm not going to do a sentiment today in the video. I just wanted to get this assembled and show you guys the idea that Doris came up with, because I thought it was so fun. And again, I'm just going to adhere my emblem on there. I used a paper plate. Again, if you guys have gold cardstock, go ahead and use that. But I used the paper plate in my gift bag as well, so I just went ahead and used another one of those. And white cardstock, and my lightning bolt is the adhesive backed glitter paper from Dollar Tree. So we'll just have to peel that off and stick it on, and it'll be that easy. So I'm going to go ahead and put some art glitter glue on the back of my white circle and get that centered up onto the front of my gold one. And then I'll go ahead and put those on the front of my card. And I'm going to try to get it centered as best I can. That looks pretty good. And then with that adhesive backed glitter paper, I'm just going to see if I can find the edge on that and get it started. And it doesn't feel super sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of art glitter glue just to make double sure that it sticks really well. And then line that up at the angle you want it. And that, quick and easy, you've got a flashcard. This would be so much fun if you are going to a flash themed birthday party for a little boy, or if you're hosting the party, these would make really cute invitations. So you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you have any other ideas, I'd love to hear those as well. And I want to say thanks again to Doris for commenting and giving me that suggestion. I think this is a lot of fun. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. I'd love to see your projects over there in the Facebook group. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.